we're going to learn more new sounds. First, say the sound, then listen to see if you got it right. G, 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 k, d, p, b, k, d, l, s, k, g, ass, gas, og, hog, b, ag, bag, g, at, get, l, ack, lack, l, ick, lick, s, ack, sack, s, ick, sick, b, ag, bag, b, ig, big, b, ug, bug, d, ig, dig, b, ack, back, d, awk, dock, ack, hack, k, ick, kick, d, og, dog, g, alf, golf, d, ug, drug, f, ig, fig, p, og, pog, g, os, gloss, d, ag, drag, g, ill, gill, uck, luck, p, ill, pill, g, ass, glass, f, us, fuss. First, we're going to go down the columns. B, ag, bag, b, egg, beg, b, ig, big, b, og, bog, b, ug, bug, bag, beg, big, bog, bug, b, an, ban, b, n, ben. This is a name. That's why it has a capital letter. B, in, bin, b, un, bun, ban, ben, bin, bun, b, ack, back, b, uck, buck, back, buck. Now let's go across the rows. B, ag, bag, b, an, ban, b, ack, back, b, egg, beg, b, n, ben, b, ig, big, b, in, bin, b, og, bog, ug, bug, un, bun, uck, buck. Keep track of if this test is easy or hard for you. Lock, lock, neck, neck, og, hog, leg, leg, mug, mug, ick, tick, nag, nag, rug, rug, uck, luck, uck, puck, sack, sack, rack, rack, sick, sick, ack, pack, lack, lack, ick, tick, og, bog, ap, gap, ag, rag, lag, lag. If this test was easy, go on to lesson 8. If this test was a little bit hard, repeat lesson 7. If this test was very hard, go back to lesson 6. If you found this helpful, please share it with others on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp.